Meet the DeWalt DCM 565 18-volt XR cordless chainsaw. Is a lightweight and powerful tool designed for outdoor cutting tasks like pruning and trimming. With a 12-inch bar and a brushless motor, it delivers efficiency and smooth operation, making up to 70 cuts per charge. Its tool-free chain tensioning and automatic oiling system make maintenance a breeze, while the low noise level ensures a quieter work experience. Priced around $250, this chainsaw is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who want a portable, reliable solution for yard work. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a versatile tool that simplifies woodworking for both amateurs and professionals. It combines a drill bit on one side and a screw driving bit on the other, so you can effortlessly switch between tasks without needing to change tools. Made of durable steel and measuring just 3 inches, it's lightweight and easy to carry around. Priced at around $12, this handy tool is perfect for anyone looking to speed up their woodworking projects while maintaining precision and quality. The Martin's MFJ20T air hydraulic jack is a powerful tool for lifting heavy vehicles with ease. With a 22-ton capacity, it operates using an air hydraulic pump, meaning you can raise trucks or buses at the push of a button, with no manual effort required. It fits under vehicles with just 8.5 inches of clearance and includes 3 extensions, allowing for a lift height of up to 20.5 inches. Priced around $350, it's an essential tool for mechanics and professionals handling large, heavy equipment. The Jokari Quadro Plus is a must-have tool for anyone working with wires, offering 4 functions in one compact design. Whether you're stripping, crimping, cutting, or twisting wires, this tool adjusts automatically to different wire sizes, making your job faster and easier. With its ergonomic handle and lightweight build, it's comfortable to use for long projects. The full set priced at $278, the Quadro Plus is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for efficiency and precision in their electrical work. The AEG 2X18V post hole digger is the perfect solution for anyone needing to dig post holes with ease. Powered by 2 18-volt batteries, it delivers 36 volt of cordless power, allowing you to work without being tethered to gas or cords. Weighing approximately 10 kilograms, it's compatible with auger bits up to 9.8 inches, making it versatile for different digging needs. Priced around $500, this tool is ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a portable, powerful, and reliable solution for post-hole digging. The AGA Boreal 21 folding saw is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a 21-inch stainless steel blade that can tackle branches and logs with ease. Weighing just 530 grams, its lightweight aluminum frame and rubberized handle make it comfortable to use, while the snap-fit design allows for quick assembly without tools. Folding down to just over 21 inches, it's compact enough to carry in your pack. Priced around $75, this saw is perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone needing a reliable tool in the wilderness. The Nocry cut-resistant gloves are designed to provide maximum protection without sacrificing comfort. Made from a high-performance blend of polyethylene and glass fibers, these gloves offer EN 388 Level 5 cut resistance, making them perfect for handling sharp tools and materials like knives, glass, and metal. Despite their toughness, they're lightweight, breathable, and machine washable, ensuring you can work safely without feeling restricted. Priced around $16, these gloves are ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable hand protection in a variety of tasks. The Soccer Multifunction Scribing tool is an essential companion for craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts alike. Made from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it combines precision and versatility, allowing you to mark, measure, and trace complex shapes with ease. With adjustable width and a locking mechanism for accuracy, it handles everything from woodworking to tiling. Priced around $30, this compact tool is perfect for anyone needing a reliable, portable solution for a variety of measuring and marking tasks. The Garden Gear electric weed burner is a simple, eco-friendly solution for eliminating weeds without harmful chemicals. With a 2,000-watt power output and temperatures reaching up to 600 degrees Celsius, it effectively kills weeds down to the root. Its long 116-centimeter handle ensures you can stand upright while working, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Priced around $50, this versatile tool can also be used for lighting barbecues or removing paint, offering a safe and convenient solution for outdoor tasks. The Rotozip SS35510 spiral saw is a powerful tool designed to handle precision cuts with ease, whether you're working on drywall, wood, or tile. With a 5.5 AMP motor and a no-load speed of 30,000 RPM, it delivers smooth, fast-cutting performance. Its tool-free bit change feature allows you to switch tasks quickly, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Priced at around $74, this compact saw is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for versatility and precision in their projects. The Lumberjack Tool 2-in commercial tenon cutter is perfect for those looking to craft log furniture with precision. It's built from durable, lightweight aluminum and uses dual high-carbon steel blades to carve clean, 2-inch diameter tenons quickly and efficiently. Compatible with both hardwoods and softwoods, the cutter's adjustable depth and ergonomic handle make it a go-to for log railings, beds, and fences. Priced at $119, this tool is a must-have for woodworkers and DIYers seeking reliable performance and versatility. The Mile Marker Rhino Pull 1000 portable winch is a compact yet powerful tool, perfect for light-duty pulling tasks. With a 1,000-pound capacity, it's designed to handle everything from pulling boats onto trailers to rescuing stuck vehicles. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to transport, and the remote control operation ensures convenience and safety. Priced at around $500, this winch is an excellent choice for those needing a portable and reliable solution for various pulling tasks. The soccer paint racks are designed to revolutionize the way you paint doors, making the process faster and more convenient. With their innovative design, you can paint both sides of a door in one sitting and easily flip it without worrying about smudges or fingerprints. The lightweight, durable racks allow you to stack multiple doors for drying, saving you time and space. Priced around $30, these racks are perfect for professionals and DIYers looking to streamline their door painting projects. The Allway CT31 3-in-1 caulk tool is designed to make every caulking job easier and more efficient. Combining a scraper, smoother, and caulk remover, this tool helps you remove old caulk, clean surfaces, and achieve a smooth, professional finish with ease. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it comfortable to use, even in tight spaces. Priced around $10, it's perfect for both DIYers and professionals looking for a versatile, all-in-one solution for caulking tasks. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig K4 is a must-have tool for woodworking, allowing you to create strong, precise joints with ease. It is suitable for working with boards that are 1 to 1.5 inches thick, making it versatile for a range of projects. Its 3-hole drill guide ensures perfectly spaced pocket holes, while the adjustable settings make it adaptable to different material sizes. The large clamping recess keeps your work secure, and the dust collection system keeps your workspace clean. Priced at around $99, this tool is perfect for achieving professional quality results. The Praktisch Swiss Tech 17-in-1 multi-tool is the ultimate companion for anyone seeking a versatile tool that fits in the palm of your hand. With stainless steel construction, it combines everything from pliers and wire cutters to a saw and screwdrivers, ensuring you're prepared for any task, whether at home or in the great outdoors. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and the compact foldable build ensures portability. Priced at $29, this multi-tool offers reliability and convenience for all your DIY and outdoor adventures. The Skil PWRCore 12V MultiCutter is a compact and powerful tool designed to make quick, precise cuts through a variety of materials like cardboard, plastic, and fabric with a cutting capacity of up to 6 millimeters thick. Powered by a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers reliable cutting performance, while its lightweight design and ergonomic grip ensure comfort during extended use. With a tool-free blade change system, you can easily swap blades to handle different tasks. Priced around $70, it's the perfect solution for DIYers and professionals seeking a versatile and portable cutting tool. The Exotac NanoSpark Fire Starter is a compact and durable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable fire starting in any condition. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it features a one-handed flint-based spark wheel and a waterproof tinder capsule to ensure you're always prepared. Measuring just 2.45 inches long and 0.55 inches in diameter, and weighing only 0.95 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Priced around $29, the NanoSpark is the perfect companion for campers, hikers, and survivalists looking for an efficient fire-starting solution, even in wet weather. The Works Aerocart is a versatile all-in-one tool designed to simplify moving and lifting heavy materials. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and an 8.1 leverage ratio, it makes transporting loads feel lighter and easier. Its multifunctionality allows it to act as a wheelbarrow, dolly, and even a plant or rock mover, all while using flat-free tires for worry-free operation. Priced at around $180. It's perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts seeking a durable, multi-purpose solution for heavy lifting and transporting tasks. The Rigid RP350 press tool is an advanced solution for professional plumbers and contractors, offering fast and reliable pressing for a range of materials like copper, stainless steel, and PEX. Weighing just 7.6 pounds, its compact design with a 360-degree rotating head makes it ideal for tight spaces. With Bluetooth connectivity for diagnostics and an integrated LED light for dark areas, it's both practical and modern. Priced at around $2,000, this tool delivers durability, precision, and convenience for high-performance jobs. The Fastback Pro Auto Mechanics Bench is the perfect companion for any repair shop. It's designed for comfort and mobility, with 3 large 7-inch wheels that move effortlessly on both concrete and gravel. 2 powerful magnetic LED lights ensure you can see every corner beneath your vehicle, while the adjustable height settings offer versatility for different surfaces. Made from bumper-grade material, it provides stability, softness, and durability, supporting up to 400 pounds. With built-in tool trays and a cushioned headrest, it's built for efficiency and comfort in every job. The Kreg Panel Carrier is a simple yet powerful tool designed to make lifting and moving large sheets of plywood, drywall, or MDF effortless. With its self-adjusting clamp and ergonomic rubber handle, it securely grips panels up to 0.75 inches thick and 100 pounds, making it easy to transport heavy materials without straining your back. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Priced at around $30, it offers a practical solution for handling sheet goods with ease and efficiency. These no-cry professional knee pads are a must-have for anyone working on their knees for long periods, offering a blend of comfort, durability, and protection. With soft gel and EVA foam padding, they provide superior cushioning, while the tough poly shield guards against rough surfaces. Adjustable neoprene straps ensure a secure fit without slipping, and their lightweight design reduces fatigue. Priced around $32, these knee pads are perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable knee protection during demanding tasks. The Works Jaw Saw WG320 cordless chainsaw is designed to make outdoor tasks like pruning and cutting branches safer and easier. With a 6-inch bar and a fully enclosed blade, it minimizes the risks of traditional chainsaws while maintaining top performance. Weighing just 7.9 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for homeowners and landscapers. Priced at around $129, this cordless tool offers both safety and convenience for anyone tackling light-duty cutting jobs outdoors. The Camo Drive Deck fastening tool is a game changer for anyone installing decking, allowing you to work while standing and eliminating the need to kneel or bend over. It works seamlessly with wood, composite, and PVC decking, making it highly versatile. With its adjustable handle and automatic screw loading system, it's designed to save time and reduce physical strain, making your deck installation faster and more efficient. Priced around $150, it's the perfect tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools. See you soon.